Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Trello workspace. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com and hit the enter button. So I don't know why it did take me there. I'm just going to go to Trello.com again. And of course, make sure you're logged in into an account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, make sure to go and create an account. So as you can see now, I am on the Omics workspace. And as we said, we want to delete this workspace. Of course, what you'll need to do is simply go to settings, or can I go here and create, for example, a new workspace? So I don't want to delete this one. But anyway, I'm not going to click on the delete button. So anyway, if you want to delete the workspace, as you can see, you find all the workspaces that you have in here. And for me, I'm going to click on settings. Once I click on settings, of course, I'll be taken right here. As you can see, the Omics workspace, and I'll be taken to the settings of it. And if I go scroll down to the bottom, you'll find delete this workspace. If you go and click on it, as you can see, you'll have to enter the workspace name, which is Omics workspace, to delete. And things to know, this is permanent and can be undone. All boards in this workspace will be closed, and board admins can reopen boards. Board members will not be able to interact with closed boards. And of course, you'll have to enter like the name, which is going to be Omics Workspace, and then click on this delete workspace. As I said, for me, I'm not going to delete it. I don't want to delete my workspace. But for you, if you want to delete it, just go and click on that button and it will be permanently deleted. And you cannot undo that. So make sure to delete it when you really want to delete it. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.